In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder boards with drag and drop in Trello. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, it's important to know that in the newer version of Trello, you can only manually reorder boards that have been starred. So if you've been trying to drag boards around and it's not working, that's usually the reason. To get started, open any board inside Trello. It doesn't have to be a specific one, just any board that gets you into the workspace. Once that board is open, look toward the bottom menu and click on Switch Boards. This opens the board switcher, which is where you'll manage the boards you want to organize. Now go through the boards you want to reorder and click the star icon on each one. Starring a board essentially adds it to the starred section, and that's the section Trello currently allows you to rearrange with drag and drop. If a board isn't starred, it won't appear in the list you can reorder, so make sure you star every board you want included. After you've starred the boards you need, click Switch Boards again. Then choose Pin Switcher as a sidebar. This is helpful because it keeps the board list visible on the side of your screen, making it much easier to move things around without reopening the switcher over and over. Once the sidebar is pinned, look for the starred section. You should now see the boards you just marked with a star. To reorder them, click and hold the board you want to move, then drag it to your preferred position in the list. When it's in the right spot, release your mouse to drop it there. Trello will update the order immediately. Continue doing the same thing for any other starred boards you want to rearrange. Just click, hold, drag, and release until everything is in the order that works best for you. And that's it. Your boards are now reordered using drag and drop in Trello. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip: before you go, if you don't see a board in the starred section, double check that you actually clicked the star icon for that board. Also, if dragging feels awkward, keeping the switcher pinned as a sidebar usually makes the process much smoother. This method is especially useful if you like keeping your most important boards at the top for faster access. Once you've arranged everything the way you want, you're all set. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.